Hi, hello friends. I welcome back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com, and I'm here with another recipe that is called kurkure bondas. This is one of the famous bondas again in Andhra, and with the help of the dosa batter only we are going to do these bondas. We will see the ingredients. I have taken a bowl full of idli dosa batter. Leftover also you can take. I have taken a small bowl full of onions. I have cut those in fine pieces. I have taken a small bowl. In that half a bowl I have taken refined flour, it is maida, and some coriander leaves, some curry leaves. In that a small tablespoon of cumin seed, it is zira. And with that I have taken one small green chili. I have slit those into fine pieces, and I have taken a small piece of grated ginger, and the salt needed for that we have taken a pinch of soda, appam soda I have taken, and the oil needed for that. We will see how to mix those ingredients with the flour. And if we eat with that karam chutney, it will be yummicious. Karam chutney, I have told you in karam dosa itself, the same chutney goes well in this kurkure bondas. Now, first to start with this, I'll mix all these things into the idli dosa batter. Now, to start with this, I'm taking the idli dosa batter in one bowl. Now, I'm going to add maida, refined flour. I have taken only a small bowl. In that half only I have taken. In spoons, we can take 5 to 6 spoons of maida. Now in this, onion goes. 2 small onions I have taken. I have cut this in fine pieces. Now I have taken a teaspoon of zira, cumin, 1 green chilli I have taken. Now in this I am adding the curry leaves. I am adding the coriander leaves. I am adding the grated ginger. Grated ginger. Grated ginger. Now I am adding a pinch of soda in this. Little bit of soda only goes in that. And the salt needed we are going to add. Check for the seasoning after adding all these ingredients. I have taken 1 full tablespoon of salt. Now mix all these ingredients. I have to mix all these ingredients. Now I have mixed all the ingredients with the batter. Now the consistency should be like this. We have to drop this in hot oil. It should not be watery, nor it should be too thick. See the consistency? It should be like this. Now we will keep a pan and heat the oil. Now my oil is heated and my batter is also ready. Now I am going to take small size balls and dip it in the hot oil. You have to take like this, small, and dip it in the oil. Be very easy for you to do. It's a nice evening snack. Now see, only small size was only I inserted in this. It has to be in nice golden brown. Now this is in golden brown. You can remove this. Now I am going to put the other set like that itself. Now one more thing I want to tell you, while dropping these bondas, the flame should be in high. Otherwise it may get caught to the pan. After dropping all these bondas, you can slow down. But when you are dropping this, it should be in high flame. Mine is in high flame. You can see. So in high flame only you have to drop the bondas. Now see, it doesn't stick to the pan. It's coming out very easily. Grated ginger, chilies, curry leaves, coriander leaves, all those smell. While frying these bondas, I can smell them. Oh, so good it is. And with that chutney, karam chutney, and with a hot cup of tea, evening will be very good. Evening will be very great actually. Now see, my bondas are ready to be served. I will serve this in one plate with that karam chutney. So good it looks. And while eating it will be. See, my perfect kurkure bonde with the karam chutney is ready to be served. I'll show you how it has come. Now see how kurkure it is. Wow, with that karam chutney and all, it will be very delicious. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Bye.